गाइस, मैं हूँ आपकी आरजे स्वर्णा। आज अपने रेडियो स्टूडियो के अंदर नहीं हूँ। आई एम एट टैंक पॉट बाय टैंजरीन स्टूडियो। दिस इज अ पॉडकास्ट सीरीज जहाँ पर बात होने वाली है बिजनेस की, बैंटर की एंड बॉस लेवल मार्केटिंग की। यहाँ पे सिर्फ बातें आपको नहीं सुनाई देगी, यहाँ पर आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिलेगी। यहाँ पर हमारे नागपुर के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को जानने का मौका मिलेगा और साथ ही साथ उनके सीक्रेट्स भी स्पिल होने वाले हैं। सो इफ यू आर इनटू बिजनेस और वांट टू ग्रो योर ओन ब्रांड, तो ये पॉडकास्ट सीरीज सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके लिए। वैसे तो हमारे नागपुर वालों के पास में विटामिन सी बहुत है, बट स्टिल यहाँ आपको मिलेगा विटामिन ई। बोले तो एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट एंड एंटरटेनमेंट। ये नागपुर का पहला ऐसा पॉडकास्ट सीरीज है जहां लोकल बिजनेस को हम कर रहे हैं डिजिटलाइज, मार्केट और एम्पलीफाई विद अ टैंगी ट्विस्ट। एंड गाइस, गेस व्हाट, वी हैव स्पॉन्सर्स फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड। दे आर नन अदर देन तिरुपति मार्केटिंग, जिनके हर फाइल में डिटेलिंग है और हर टाइल में भी, जिसे देख के आपके पड़ोसी पूछते हैं ये कौन सा इंस्टा फिल्टर यूज किया है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट। So ladies and gentlemen, this is the time to introduce our very first guest on the very first episode of Tank Pod, जिनके legendary cocktails को देख के ओल्ड मॉन्ग में रिटायरमेंट का प्लान बना चुका है। A very visionary man, he is disciplined, and even after owning a cafe, he is learning DJing. He is none other than co-founder and co-owner of Koso Cafe, Vineet Paliwal. Hello.
Hi, Swarna. How are you?
I am so good. How are you?
I'm good.
तो आपने अपनी मॉर्निंग समय दी है, थैंक यू सो मच।
My pleasure. Pleasure is all mine.
So this is our first segment, Citrus Scoop. पहला सवाल विनीत जी आपके लिए ये है कि ये नाम कोसो कहाँ से आया?
So it has a long story to it. मतलब Koso means cocktails and socials basically.
Okay.
So one of my partner, so he got that name Koso. So when he told me कि यार Koso नाम, and it clicked me on the very first instance कि यार this is fantastic name. Let us go ahead with it. But then after a few days he was like यार let us give it a fine line name. It is not going with our ambience and everything. I was like dude, it is like it will definitely click क्योंकि यार एक ही बारी में you will remember that name Koso. It's like very catchy. So it took 1 month to me to convince him for Koso. Then I did the polling thing and everything with few of my friends. Finally we got convinced, फिर इसी से बना Koso. Like it's a English name basically.
Yeah, but कोसो दूर नहीं है,
कोसो दूर
सारे नागपुर वालों के एकदम दिल में है।
Thank you. Thanks for your appreciation.
और ये जो कोसो है, what makes it different? Because अभी तो नागपुर में cafe culture is banging on.
So Koso is like all about good food, great cocktails, good vibes and amazing team. जो बहुत important है क्योंकि ग्राउंड पे वो लोग ही रहते हैं, वही कस्टमर्स को मिलते हैं, वही कस्टमर्स को बेस्ट टू बेस्ट हॉस्पिटैलिटी शो करते हैं. सो एवरीथिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
So how long you spend time with the team?
So usually I come once or twice in a week and then मैं टीम के साथ बात करता हूँ, what they feel, where we can improve. So we keep on doing it, where we can elevate ourselves. So we do that.
Good.
It's a good like team session.
But after knowing you, I know that you are also into fitness. But ये जो आपका business है, cafe business, it runs late at night. How do you
Yes.
maintain everything?
See, that is very important, you know, like, I mean, aligned with everything and your decision making, everything improves. So I'll urge everybody to be there in fitness is very important nowadays. So that's it.
Cafe
keep-
business, you have interest in fitness, you are into medicine also, and you are learning DJing. वो कहाँ से आया?
DJ music is my passion. Well, so Koso primary, like, it was music and I love socializing, and so Koso came from there, and then music was my passion, so I started continuing that thing, DJing and all.
तो अभी क्या, कौन सा music genre आपका?
I love more of Afro house or melodic, Afro melodic.
Nowadays,
techno.
Afro Bollywood is also common.
Yes, Bollytech is like very common. Afro Bolly is very common nowadays.
Great.
So nowadays so many new genres are coming. Like, I mean, so
तो क्या हमें कोसो में बहुत जल्दी?
absolutely there are so
DJ
many
Vineet?
things. No. It is I'm learning it from my friends basically.
Okay.
You should keep on learning new things. मतलब आपको कुछ ना कुछ लाइफ में करते रहना चाहिए.
क्या ये
Interesting.
आपको
So
बिजनेस के टुवर्ड्स हमेशा एक पैशन रखने के लिए हेल्प करता है?
Definitely. You मतलब matlab, you keep on trying new things. So it is like new targets for you basically. So that's what.
Agreed.
Yes.
Now let's jump into our second segment, which is the peel back. थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं टाइम में और इनसे पास के सवाल थोड़े पूछते हैं. Let's rewind. मुझे सबसे पहले आप बताइए कि सबसे बड़ा रिस्क क्या था when you started Coso?
यार रिस्क तो हर बिजनेस में ही होता है. So it was a risky affair, but then I mean like we were cautious. हम एक स्टेप जो भी ले रहे थे बहुत सोच समझ के ले रहे थे because हर स्टेप सही जाना चाहिए. Because it was our first project, you know. तो we were very cautious and धीरे धीरे एक स्टेप करके हम लोग आगे बढ़े.
What was the first step जो आपको लगा कि यार ये बहुत ही ये हो गया तो सब सही हो जाएगा?
यार first step is like interiors and like proper vibe set होना अंदर का interiors like everything furniture, flooring. So for flooring we were like blessed. We had Tirupati marketing.
Yeah.
So we got fantastic flooring from there, very good tiles, like we got very good demo. So they have a very good demo station at their office. So from there we got very good idea and it made our things very easy. बहुत ही easy हो गया पूरा, मतलब राह काफी आसान हो गया with Tirupati market. So thanks to them.
Thanks to them and they are our sponsors also.
Oh, nice.
Vineet, what do you think? 5 साल बाद, क्योंकि I think it's just been 2 years Coso has started.
Just 1 year.
Just 1 year. Oh my God, it's a baby now.
Yeah, it's a baby now.
5 साल बाद लोग Coso के बारे में क्या बात करेंगे? What will be Coso's legacy?
यार it should be लोगों को याद रहना चाहिए. They have beautiful stories built up here, beautiful memories with their families as a couple. So we have different corners wherein you know, like families love to sit, chit chat. Different corners wherein couple can they have their first meeting. So it is like more of memories thing. Like they should always remember Coso कि यार ये मेरे मतलब that was my first date. So many people I see they come like I mean it is like celebrating their special occasions.
Yeah.
So that's what yeah. They should remember Coso for their beautiful memories and stories.
Sweet, that is so sweet.
Yeah.
नागपुर में क्या लगता है क्या ज्यादा बिकता है? वाइब बिकती है या खाना बिकता है? Do people come here more for only pictures?
So see, for picture लोग एक बार आएंगे, not more than that. 2 बार आएंगे. But for food is what people will come for, like again and again. And Nagpur क्या है? It is more of repeated customers. The tourism इतना नहीं है, walk-ins ज़्यादा नहीं रहते. It is more of repeated customers. So basically they will come for your food. So you need to position your food very strong.
So Vineet, tell me, नागपुर का कोई कैसा कल्चर है जिसे देख के आपको लगता है this is where growth रुक जाती है?
So yeah, I feel people should think out of the box. That is very important. कुछ अलग सोचना, कुछ नया लाना, ये बहुत जरूरी है. अगर ये नहीं लाएंगे तो यार नई चीजें कैसे डेवलप होगी? So I feel getting new things is important. Out of the box सोचना जरूरी है. That is the thing which is not happening. तो वो होना जरूरी है. Tier 2 cities या कुछ नया लाना, कुछ experimental करना.
तो क्या और नए experiments करने चाहिए कैफे ओनर्स को या किसी को भी नागपुर में?
I feel you should travel. आपको देखना चाहिए बाहर कंट्रीज में क्या चीजें सक्सेसफुल हो रही है उनके लिए, उनका कल्चर क्या चीजें, what is working for them basically. You should try to get that. वो सब एक्सपेरिमेंट करना चाहिए, नई चीजें लाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए basically. We should get that. मतलब this is more required
in Nagpur
in Nagpur.
Right. Talking about travel, because I am also a person who can say, oh, I have a wanderlust thing. तो आपने क्या travel से सीखा जो कोसो में आपने include किया?
So I love traveling. While traveling, I experienced different food cuisines like basically. So when we tried, if we find something very good, सीधा वहीं से chef को हम photo भेजते हैं. Chef, let us get this.
तो काम का वैसे तो खत्म नहीं होता है.
Yeah, so it is like you are traveling, you love food, you're a foodie person, और साथ में if you are getting few things for your business, that is सोने पे सुहागा.
Yeah.
So we had inculcate few things like we had now introduced baked nachos, blueberry yogurt ball. So you must try that. I will make you have that. It is very interesting. People are loving it.
Vegan हूँ ना पर.
अच्छा, okay, that is the thing. So I'll ask my chef to make it like do some experiment, do some
with vegan food.
yeah with vegan food. Yeah.
But okay, मैंने वो nachos का एक combo खाया था, मुझे उसके बारे में जानना है.
So that's what. ये जो nachos वाला है उसका पीछे एक story है. I went to Italy like this holiday. I went to Italy. So there at a good cuisine we went. So I tried that. From there I sent a picture to my chef. So he was. I told chef this is tasting so good. You have to get it. Then he did few experiments on that. He had done few trials of that. फिर but वो आ गया taste and people are nowadays loving it. Everybody had given बहुत ही अच्छे रिमार्क्स मिले हमको उसके लिए.
तो मैं हमारे ऑडियंस को बताना चाहती हूँ कि हम नाचोस तो ऐसे वो चिप्स जैसा खाते हैं.
पिज़्ज़ा फॉर्म में.
पिज़्ज़ा फॉर्म में आपको इसमें मिलेगा with all the topping and healthy toppings.
Healthy toppings with some avocado and guacamole.
बस guacamole. ये है ना travel. This is how travel is coming up.
Work and pleasure both.
Also कोसो का कोई एक ऐसा डिश जिसके लिए आपको काफी repetitive customers मिले हैं.
So there are many actually. You should try it out. So there are many dishes like like or bruschetta is there.
Wow.
To ruby, we call it Rubicon bruschetta. So there are many dishes which are like people love it, and we keep on elevating. We keep on like getting new things. मतलब नया कुछ innovation करते रहना जरूरी है. So my wife, Mamta, she's into the kitchen thing with chef. She also get into this kitchen thing, try to get some new dishes and all. She had done few reels also for that. Like,
मैम का favorite एक dish कौन सा है? It could be non-veg.
It is burrata chaat. It is burrata chaat. You should try that.
चाट तो फिर लड़कियों के लिए.
So that's what. Knowing this is a global multi-cuisine, still we are serving that burrata chaat. So people love that. Like that's a
Indianized twist.
Yeah, Indianized.
True.
Twist, yeah, something like that. Hi, Mamta. So she's the mind behind the menu thing, the food thing. She takes care of the food thing without salary. Please, salary mangna bhi mat. I feel like, but keep up the good work. You're doing a fabulous job. So the kitchen is doing very good. Thank you. Thanks for your help and work. Amazing work.
आजकल के टाइम में देखो कैफे चलाना सिर्फ फूड सर्व करने का काम नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हमें वाइब चाहिए होती है, स्टोरी चाहिए होती है, विजिबिलिटी दिखानी होती है. तो कोसो के लिए आपका कंटेंट और मार्केटिंग का मंत्र क्या है? आप अपने कैफे को ऐसे बज़वर्दी, इंस्टावर्दी कैसे बनाते हो?
So that's what we did. हमने पहले elevation is very important for any industry. Like you have to keep on elevating. जो हमने किया, पहले हमने lower deck open किया कोसो में. Then after 6 months हमने upper deck open किया, which was a hit. सबको roof बहुत पसंद आया. They love to sit at roof. Now we are coming up with a musical room because कोसो में हमेशा ये एक सब मेरे guest की complaint customers की रहती थी. Yeah, there is no dancing floor basically. We love the food, we love the cocktails, we love the vibe, but एक dancing floor भी रहे. तो now we are coming up with a musical room wherein you can feel that club वाला thing and you can enjoy that. तो वो
विनीत, जब कोई इंसान अपना एक बड़ा सपना पूरा करता है ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके लिए कोर्स हो रहा है, तो वो सक्सेसफुल तो हो जाता है और उसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए काफी एक्साइटमेंट रहती है. लेकिन धीरे 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 वो एक्साइटमेंट की आदत हो जाती है, तो वो इम्पैक्ट और एंथुसियाज्म अंदर से थोड़ा कम होने लगता है, जिसे हेडोनिक एडैप्शन भी कहते हैं. तो आप कैसे इसे हैंडल करते हो और वो क्या गोल्स आप रखते हो खुद को मोटिवेटेड रखने के लिए?
So I am thankful to God. मेरे जितने भी ड्रीम्स थे, they are getting fulfilled. So one of them was Koso. So it is like it is more of hustling. Like you need to have new goals life में, नई चीजें करना. So earlier I was like into sports. I love cricket. I used to play a lot of cricket. फिर cricket के बाद then business passion बना एक. फिर उसके बाद कोसो आया. Like I mean कोसो पैशन बना. Then कोसो के बाद फिर DJing पैशन बना. So that's what you need to keep on setting new goals for yourself.
You mean कि अगर personally
नया
आप
करते रहेंगे,
करोगे,
हाँ grow करते रहेंगे, नए goals अपने लिए set करेंगे, तो you will keep on hustling, you will keep on getting there, so you will never feel that.
Like जैसे क्रिकेट को आपने mention किया, तो cricketers just don't only play cricket, they play tennis, they play football, they play badminton.
So many sports. I love playing sports. Like I love playing. I almost play all I had played many sports, but cricket was like, it was very close to my heart. I had played a lot of cricket. I
Who
love
is your favorite cricketer?
So mine is Yuvraj Singh. I love him. Like, he's a left-handed batsman, and even I am a left-handed batsman.
Okay.
The way he plays, I love his batting style and everything. And he's a hustler. He's a fighter. He suffered from cancer, you know. Like,
Yes, of
he
course.
was suffering cancer.
What your take on Rishabh Pant? He recently.
Yeah, that's what a comeback, yeah.
What a comeback.
After that accident, everybody thought कि यार खत्म हो गई उसकी
खत्म,
life. But then, you know, like, I mean,
Even a dream
he's
tire
hitting
of the
centuries
test.
and centuries.
With a fractured leg.
That's what, yeah, and what a
That's-
comeback, man. Well, it is like so, like, people should learn from them, like the kind of effort they put in.
You believe in लबूबू क्योंकि उर्वशी जी दूसरे विंबलडन में तो लबूबू लेके गई थी। आई फिर वो नजर बट्टू अपने साथ लेके चल रही है to protect ऋषभ पंत। This is my favorite segment of the whole podcast क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम दारू नहीं पिलाने वाले हैं, but सवाल पूछेंगे और सवाल के जवाब नहीं देना होगा तो शॉट लेना होगा। सुबह का टाइम है, it's non-alcoholic time।
Thankfully, I'm not having day drinking नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं।
नहीं तौबा ये सब नहीं गिराएंगे। But you have to keep it zesty, you have to keep jazzy.
Right. The only thing I was afraid of कि यार मेरे को दिन में shots ना पिला देना।
Yeah, bring it on, bring it on.
Oh man,
अच्छा ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बहुत सिंपल
this
है ये।
looks very spicy.
This is spicy, this is tangy because this is tank pod. So here you go.
I hope it is not too spicy.
या तो सवाल का जवाब देना है या तो शॉट पीना है।
ठीक है चलेगा.
Keep it zesty,
Until it is not alcoholic.
It is not at all, है ना?
Then that's okay.
Yeah, the
It's
एक ही rule है, we have to keep it zesty, we have to keep it jazzy.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Okay, the first question of the rapid fire is नागपुर में आपके लिए असली कंपटीशन कौन है? No safe answers.
खुद से. Definitely यार, अपने आप को खुद को एलिवेट करते रहना जरूरी है. लेकिन एक ब्रांड इमेज बना लिया नागपुर में.
हाँ.
उसको अगर कायम रखना है तो भाई खुद से ही कंपटीशन है.
Okay.
We have to keep it like up to the mark.
I will take it.
So, thank you, thankfully. I don't have to have it
Take
now.
the shot.
Thank you.
Okay. Koso in Goa, Koso in South Bombay, किसमें ज़्यादा मजा आएगा?
Why not in Bandra? You never
Koso,
know.
Sovo,
Yeah, you never know.
Touchwood. Okay.
Maybe it is there on cards. क्या पता?
Wow, we are so excited now.
Yeah.
एक ऐसा कैफे नागपुर में जो आपको लगता है ये totally overhyped है, overrated है.
See, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. There's a very nice phrase.
ये safe खेल रहे हो ना?
Safe कैसे खेल रहा हूँ भाई? सबके अलग-अलग देखने की like I mean.
नहीं आप अपना नजरिया बताओ ना सबका भी
Everybody
बताओ.
has their opinion and नजरिया देखने का. So that's what यार. It is not, nothing is overrated or
I want you to
underrated.
take shot on this.
Okay, so my first shot.
Cheers.
Cheers, Tangerine, for the first shot.
Yes. Woohoo! It is not
It is
alcoholic.
spicy.
It is
Very
tangy.
I hope I won't have it now.
You should have a
I will
tissue
be
bowl.
good with my answers.
Let's move on to a rapid fire का अगला सवाल. नागपुर में कैफे का सीन हेल्दी कंपटीशन है या लगता है बहुत ही पैसिव ऐसे थोड़ा कोल्ड वॉर टाइप चल रहा है?
No, Nagpur scene is very chill, very healthy. I mean, मतलब I'll tell you, I go to TSS. I love TSS. मतलब I had been to TSS, Ono.
Yeah.
And their owners also come to my place. They love my place. They love the food, and we openly talk about it. It is all like very healthy.
कि जब आप इतने सारे आप बता रहे हो, you keep on meeting the cafe owners in Nagpur. What is the most discussion point whenever you meet?
So, like, I mean, like as I told you, हम लोग एक दूसरे के कैफे जाते रहते हैं. Like Tipsy and Turk से भी आते हैं, Ono से भी आते हैं. I go to their places. So whenever we meet, it is more of like the common point of discussion is the food cost, overall cafe cost, how we can decrease it, and we talk about the staffing thing, what is happening. Like these are the common things.
The business and the management.
Yes, how we can reduce the running cost of the business and everything, because which is very important. यार मतलब ये सब चीजें बहुत important है.
Of course, yeah,
Like,
business
because it
चला
plays,
रहे हैं.
it plays a very important role,
True.
like your fixed costs and everything.
Yeah. Okay, the next question is, you have to complete this sentence. You have to tell me if someone says that Coso is overrated, तो क्या savage reply आप उनको दोगे?
So luxury comes at a cost. Like,
Okay, मैंने लगा था कि अब एक shot तो मैं पिला ही दूंगी.
see, brace yourself. You are not able to do that.
Now see.
Let's see.
Complete this sentence. If not Coso, I would spend my Saturday nights at Dash Club.
But then, if not Coso, nowadays like many good gigs are happening in Nagpur. Like Hidden Elements is getting very good artists. So I attend one or two there. When they are getting good artists, I attend. I prefer going there, attending their show.
Great, great, great. अगर अभी आपके competitors ये podcast सुन रहे होंगे, तो आप उनको क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Guys, we are doing great job. Let us elevate Nagpur's cafe culture.
कितना safe खेल रहे हैं यार ये rabbit
Yeah,
fire.
why not? It's such a good answer. We are doing good job. सब मिलके काम कर रहे हैं, बढ़िया है. That's a good
एकदम
thing.
healthy comedy.
Healthy.
हम साथ साथ थोड़ी चल रहा है.
One should be healthy. One should talk healthy. One should eat healthy. One should do all healthy things only in life.
तो जब आप सारे कैफे ओनर्स मिलते हो, कौन सा एक कैफे है जिसके बारे में आप बिच कर लेते हो?
So now you're trying pushing me hard. So there's nothing like that.
मैं तो शॉट पिला के ही मानने वाली हूँ दोस्तों.
I mean, there are a few cafes wherein like
Name it, no?
they had been closed now. Like I mean, अगर आप अच्छा काम नहीं करोगे तो आप चला नहीं पाओगे. बंद ही होगा ना.
But you are not taking name. You have to take a shot.
बंद कैफे का नाम क्या लूँ मैं जो कैफे बंद हो गए हैं. I mean, like if you're doing good work, definitely you will get returns. अगर आप अच्छा काम नहीं करो तो आपको रिटर्न्स अच्छे नहीं मिलेंगे तो बंद ही होगा फाइनल.
आपके ड्रीम डिनर टेबल पे ऐसे कौन से 3 लोग होंगे जिनको आप इनवाइट करना चाहोगे? Only 3.
That's a nice question. So definitely, like I love cricket as I told you. So my favorite cricketer is Yuvraj Singh. So definitely I would be wanting Yuvraj Singh, sitting with him, knowing him. Second is fitness. So fitness I follow Luke Quintino. So he's a very good, very balanced influencer who is modern as well as who is very traditional. So I follow him. Then is music, as I told. So music, like Indian music revolution had been like लाने वाला ये Mr. A.R. Rahman है.
Yes.
Definitely versatile.
I don't know. I just thought of that only.
That's what, like versatile musician. He used to travel and get music from different places. So definitely my dream, I would love to sit with these 3 people, knowing them, what is their like, what is their experience, and I would love to gain from it, and what is their life experience.
True. Yeah. Okay, the next one is कौन सा एक ऐसा नागपुर का इन्फ्लुएंसर है जिन्हें आप अपने कैफे का फेस बनाना चाहोगे?
मैं पी लेता हूँ. You did it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Cheers, Tangerine Studio. I hope this is the last one. I can't have all of them. I hope your question answer rapid fire round is over now.
No, one last and the most important one is left.
I will crack it.
Give us 3 name of cafes जो नागपुर में है जहाँ आप एक अच्छी कॉफी पीने जाओगे.
Number 1 in my list is 222 Backyard. I love the ambience, coffee, the vibe there. Then is C7.
Nagpur's favorite.
Nagpur's favorite, like the food positioning is so good, like their coffee positioning is very good. Then would be 3 Beans.
Okay.
Yep.
चलो
That's it.
डन है. यहाँ तो हमारा zestiest
Done.
and jazziest rapid fire round खत्म
What
होता
is my
है.
score like? Out of 6-2. ठीक है, not bad.
Not bad. Food is also there. हम लोग बहुत भूखे हैं.
बहुत okay. We'll be back
We'll be back with a
after a food break.
yes. खाना
Much
वाला.
needed.
अब अगले सेगमेंट में जाने से पहले एक वेल डिजर्व शॉट आउट दे देते हैं हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स को. देखो यार, कोसो जैसी वाइब मेंटेन करना कोई आसान बात नहीं है. जरूरी है कि हर इंच में परफेक्शन हो. तिरुपति मार्केटिंग देते हैं आपको वो डिटेलिंग कि फ्लोर पर गिरी हुई कॉफी भी खुद कहे कि वाओ भाई क्या टाइल है. तो अगर आपको भी अपने कैफे में, घर में, अपने ऑफिसेज में अगर ऐसे ही टाइलिंग करवानी है तो कॉन्टैक्ट तिरुपति मार्केटिंग, क्योंकि अगर कोसो ने ट्रस्ट किया है तो आप भी कर सकते हो यार. तो जितने भी अभी नए लोग they want to come into the food and beverage industry, what are the 3-pointer advice you want to give them?
I feel before getting into it, R&D सबसे important है. I'll tell you, for us also when we started Koso, it was a learning as it was our first project.
Yeah.
it was not, R&D was not up to the mark. मतलब the calculations, what are the expenses, क्या लगने वाला, budgeting and everything. So that's why we ended up doubling our budget. मतलब what we thought of कि ये budget में हम जाएंगे, it was like almost doubled.
My God.
So R&D is very important. I'll advise before getting into it, आपको R&D, आप ये calculations, project cost, ये सब निकालना बहुत जरूरी है. Second is getting something new, getting something out of the box. Don't get the regular thing. If you're not getting something new, अगर नया नहीं लाओगे तो उतना मजा नहीं आएगा. मतलब भेड़ चाल वाली चीजें करके कोई सेंस नहीं है.
Yeah,
So you
true.
have to get something out of the box.
हाँ.
So for us also, if you'll see, we try to get something new. We had given something new to Nagpur. ऐसा सब बोलते भी हैं. Like we get feedback that this is the bastion of Nagpur. This is genuine feedback that we got. So that's what we try to get. We try to give Nagpur something new. We got something new. The ambience and everything. We had worked a lot on that. Yeah.
हाँ. And the third point.
Third is positioning of your food. That is the heart of the thing. Like, matlab this cafe thing.
True.
Positioning of food is very important. People will come for your food again and again. Vibe के लिए तो एक बार आ जाएंगे, दो बार आ जाएंगे. Food is the thing like that will bring people again and again.
कोई है ऐसा जिसके
I mean, there are so many examples. Like I had seen so many places. I had seen few Sauji places in Nagpur. There are few places like in Umraid for Sauji. You need to order there morning, then you can go there. Without pre-order, you can't go there. So it is all about your food positioning.
True.
Like,
अब बात कर लेते हैं हम लोकेशन की, क्योंकि आजकल बिजनेस स्पेशली कैफेज एंड रिटेल स्पेसेस के लिए ना लोकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है. तो आपका क्या मानना है, लोकेशन क्या गेम चेंजर है या फिर प्रोडक्ट इज प्राइमरी एंड लोकेशन इज सेकेंडरी?
see, both are important. So, but then in our case, when we started looking for Coso, so basically our concept पहले हम लोग का बन गया था कि हमको लेके क्या आना है. That was already there in our mind कि हमको यही लेके आना है. Then we started looking for the location. So it is very important कि आपको लेके क्या आना है, क्या नई चीज लानी है, वो आपको पहले से concept आपका ready रखना है. Then you can go for the location thing. Then it becomes very easy for you. So you will search for the location. उसी हिसाब से आप location ढूंढोगे
Right.
कि मैं क्या ला रहा हूँ, मेरे को कितनी जगह चाहिए, उसी हिसाब से. तो first the concept comes, then the location. So for Coso also, it took a lot of time, like almost 6 months we took for the location thing. Then finally we ended up, and this is the history, like.
So you have decided कि मुझे ऐसे एक open space भी चाहिए, फिर एक interior भी
Yes,
चाहिए.
everything was decided. We were like pretty sure what we want to get. So then we started looking for the location कि उसी हिसाब से मुझे location choose करना है.
अगर रूफटॉप की बात करें, क्योंकि नागपुर में आजकल मैसिवली डेवलपमेंट्स हो रहे हैं,
Yes.
तो वो भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता होगा ना?
Yes, absolutely. So it was, this location was, everything was tick mark. तो उसी हिसाब से we finalized this. It took 6 months. 6 months of rigorous searching for the
Recce.
place. Recce, yeah, it was
True.
like that. Yeah. So because यार हम लोग का मतलब the parameters were like so many tick marks were there. So to fall into that tick marks, we were not getting a right place. But this, luckily, we got it.
अभी तो नागपुर में इतने सारे कैफेज ओपन हो गए हैं. एवरी नेक्स्ट किड दे जस्ट वांट टू ओपन देयर कैफे, मतलब सपना बन चुका है. बट यू हैव बीन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या क्या मेन्यू के अलावा क्या क्या टफ होता है, लाइक पेपर वर्क, लाइसेंसिंग, टैक्सेस, लिकर परमिट्स, ये पूरा प्रोसेस कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है?
It is, yeah. I'll tell you my story. Like my story is like when we started, we did the opening thing, but we didn't have the liquor license, जो सबसे important रहता है.
Yeah, of
And
course.
that is too heavy on your pocket. You know, like we run this entire show. Like after opening, 45 days we were like 45 to 60 days we were without liquor license. But every day, so we have to take everyday license.
Okay.
Everyday license is 20K
My
per
God.
day. So that's what, it's a big hassle and big headache, and it is a big trouble on your pocket basically.
Of course.
So I'll suggest everybody that whenever, if you want to get into it, please do your homework. If you're planning your opening, so according to that, your legal license should be there.
Yes.
Neither it is a heavy thing on your pocket. It is very costly affair. Like, I mean, it is quite difficult to run.
It is.
Taking a daily license.
And what about the other permits, like the
Other
licensing
permits, I feel
process?
that is very easy. That is not that
Tough.
tough. But then liquor license,
But the
I will.
liquor license is only for Maharashtra.
Yeah, it is
that
for
right?
everywhere. Like liquor
everywhere.
license, you require everywhere. But then even I'll urge government if they can do something for the licensing thing, everything online.
Okay.
The process becomes very easy because now to get the license there has to be a meeting, collector meeting, which takes place twice or thrice in a year. So if somebody is opening his cafe or his place with liquor license, he has to wait for that meeting. So that is a troublesome thing. So
Recently, Maharashtra में liquor का rate भी काफी taxes
yeah,
high
it is huge. Yeah, I know
Is
that.
it affecting
I mean,
the business?
yeah, definitely because it is heavy on the pockets of people.
Yeah.
So definitely it is going to affect.
Also,
But then ठीक है, also government wants that people should like
limit.
do sensible things, sensible drinking and limit drinking.
yeah.
So it's a fair move from government if they feel that rates बढ़ाने से ही ये चीज
Control
होगा तो
होगी.
it's control होगा तो it is ठीक है, it's okay. Right. And for like people who want to get into it, if they want to get into this cafe business, any business, I feel आपको एक अच्छा R&D करना चाहिए. आपको पूरा you have to do the research work. It's not a small affair. It's like costly affair. So आपको पूरा एक अच्छा R&D detailing करना चाहिए and then you should get into it.
Vineet, इतने सारे corners हैं कोसो में. You have different elevations also. आपका favorite corner कौन सा है?
Yeah, all the corners are favorite. It depends क्या mood है. Like if I want to party, so Barback is the place where you can enjoy the buzz, good music. If I want to sit with my friends and chill, so Sundowner is the place. If one of my favorite is Retro Sky, where is it's beautifully snake light is there. People love that place.
Yeah, that side, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
that corner. So people love that. The interior, like the detailing, the tiles, everything is so bang on. So thanks to Tirupati Marketing as well, because providing us all the detailing, the tiles, the way we wanted. It is so. That's why it created the vibe. Like it made the overall ambience basically.
It gave you the customized styling.
Customized styling and everything.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, next question. कोसो बनाते वक्त सबसे टफ डिसीजन आपके लिए क्या था विनीत? मेन्यू क्यूरेट करना, इंटीरियर ओवरऑल जो थोड़ा एस्थेटिक होना चाहिए वो डिसाइड करना, या फिर वो टाइल चूज करना जो पूरे वाइब को सेट करेगा? मतलब जब ऐसे छोटी-छोटी डिटेलिंग आती है तभी तो एक
It has a big story. इसके पीछे बहुत बड़ी story है.
पूरी सुनिए आपको.
Everything. Like from starting to menu curation. So we have got one of menu curator from Mumbai. She was Afsha. So we started the menu curation. It took 1 month. एक महीने menu curation हम लोग के trials चलते रहते थे. बढ़िया friends आते थे. किसी दिन मेरे friends, किसी दिन भैया के friends, किसी दिन तो everybody enjoy that because trials के लिए लोग तो चाहिए.
Of course.
So every day we used to call people for food trial, cocktail trial. सबके मजे थे तब एक महीने. So that was the hard work we did. एक महीने हमने food trials कराए. So the time when we were ready for the opening thing, we didn't face any challenge. For people started loving our food from the very first day because वो जो एक महीने का trial आया था, trial करते we reached to a mark wherein we were like we had a very good positioning on our food. So it paid off then. People started loving our food from very first day and we used to get मतलब हम लोग को feedback बहुत अच्छे आने लग गए. So that's what.
डिटेलिंग ऑफ टाइल के बारे में थोड़ी देर पहले आपने हमें मेंशन किया था.
Yes.
तो वो जर्नी बताइए क्योंकि आपने कहा आप कस्टमाइज एंड ऑल थोड़ा मिला है.
So that journey was simplified by Tirupati Marketing because they had so many demos at their office. So we can see virtually like live demos and what will be the look and feel of the product. So वो बहुत helpful हो गया हम लोग के लिए. तो वो part हम लोग के लिए बहुत easy. Tiles and the flooring thing is very important for any cafe.
Of course.
It has to be unique. It has to be elevated
Match
and
the
match the
ambience.
vibe and ambience. So that's what getting so many varieties. So it helped us a lot. Like
I hope दिल खुश है अब.
yes. Any day यार वो important है. Like I mean if you get something cost effective and अच्छी पंचाई चीज, तो what best than that? Better
Matching
than that.
all the
Matching all the
parameters.
parameters. All tick marks. It was like that.
Okay. Now this is our last segment, which is mic drop segment. तो अभी आपके लिए कुछ ऐसे सवाल है which are more little personalized, जहाँ पे आपको अपनी माइक की ड्रॉप करवानी है. So the first question.
I'll try my best.
Yeah. So the first question is, what advice you want to give 18-year-old Vineet, जिसे ना cocktails पता थे, ना cash flow पता था.
So I'll advise 18-year Vineet to be a dreamer. You should never stop dreaming.
Wow.
Be a dreamer. If you see the dream, then only you'll be able to like fulfill
Some of
it.
them are successful now.
Yeah, it is. It is. So that's what I would definitely. And then also, be wise whenever you speak. आप जब भी कुछ बोलते हैं तो सोच समझ के बोलो. Like मतलब once you had said something, it can never come back. तो आपको हमेशा ये रहना चाहिए. मतलब whenever you speak, you should be like सोच समझ के बोलना चाहिए.
Yeah. So the next question is, नागपुर जैसा एक जो शहर है, जो थोड़ा छोटा शहर ही अभी भी कंसिडर किया जाता है, यहाँ पे रिस्क जो है काफी कैलकुलेटेड और कंट्रोल्ड होता है. तो अब आप तो इस शहर में एक बड़ी मछली बन चुके हो, बट क्या आपके ऐसे कोई एक्सपांड होने के चांसेस जहाँ पे बड़े पूल में जाना चाहोगे?
The thing behind Koso is the same. Like मतलब I mean, कोसो जब पैसे हमने बनाया था तो इट वाज नॉट फॉर, ये कोसो हमारी खुद की आईपी है, राइट? तो ये आईपी खुद की बनाने का सबसे पीछे रीजनिंग ये था दैट वी वांट टू ग्रो मोर एंड मोर इन डिफरेंट सिटीज. सो दैट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस बिहाइंड कोसो, गेटिंग आवर ओन आईपी एंड देन एक्सपैंडिंग. Let it settle for one year. Now it is settled. Now definitely we are looking for opportunities जहाँ हम लोग बाकी cities में भी expand करेंगे. तो definitely you will see Koso in near future, maybe at different places, at different cities.
जब हम मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर से यहाँ आते हैं तो we say that ये वहाँ की फ्रेंचाइजी है, but it was so.
Yes, that is our dream basically.
Touch wood, it will be fulfilled.
Yes, thank you.
So the last question for this day is, कई सारे ब्लंडर्स तो डेफिनेटली हुए होंगे, तो कैसे आपने उन्हें टैकल किया?
नहीं, बहुत
तो बताइए ना.
There is no end to it. इतने सारे हुए.
अभी भी
So होते ही है यार. So it is like it is our first project. आप सीखते रहते हो. It's a gradual process.
Yeah.
The more and the more you are into it, आप सीखते रहते हो इसमें. First thing, this is not a side hustle. It's a full-time business. आप अगर ये इसकी limelight देख के आप सोचते हो कि भाई यार ये तो limelight वाला business है, बहुत easy है. It is not easy at all. It has so many verticals. इतने सारे verticals है. Front of the house अलग है, kitchen team अलग है, हाउसकीपिंग अलग है, वैले टीम अलग है, GRE अलग है, कैश काउंटर अलग है, बार टीम अलग है. So many teams. It is not less than an industry. और लोग इसको सोच के आते हैं कि अरे यार कैफे चलो डाल लेते हैं, लाइमलाइट वाला है. It is not easy. It has so many verticals. बहुत मेहनत लगती है, बहुत ध्यान लगता है. So it takes a lot. It takes a lot. That's what. So that's what we learned, and it was so many things used to happen. कभी FOH में झगड़े हो रहे, कभी ये so many people. तो definitely इतने सारे लोग रहेंगे तो झगड़े तो होने ही. True. So that's what. And then फिर operational issues. कभी बारिश आ रही है, leakage issues. There are so many things. It is never ending. So it has to be. It takes a lot from you. You have to be on your toes if you really want to.
Agreed. Well, thank you.
That's why you asked now. इसलिए मैं gymming. I am a regular fitness guy, so that I should be like able to do this job.
मतलब यहाँ से और यहाँ से fit होगा तो
तभी हो पाएगा.
Cool. Thank you so much, Vineet.
Thank you, Swarna. Thank you so much.
A very first episode of Tankpod.
Pleasure.
आपसे बात करके ये तो समझ में आ गया कि रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस जो है वो चेयर एंड टेबल का गेम तो नहीं है.
Easy नहीं है.
पूरा उतरना पड़ेगा आपको.
Yes, absolutely.
And well, whichever platform you are consuming this, please like, share, subscribe, show your support. Vibe match हो गई है तो आते हैं थोड़ा tangy, juicy flavor के साथ में.
Please like, share and subscribe. Tankpod, they are doing wonderful job. Entire team, thank you.
Entire team, thank you so much. अगर आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि आपके पास है स्टोरी, आपके पास है वो ब्रांड जो नागपुर के सारे लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए और आपकी स्टोरी ग्लोबल होनी चाहिए, तो इन हैंडल्स पर आप हमें मेल कर सकते हो, DM कर सकते हो. We will reach out to you. बाकी तो like, share and subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Swarna. It was a pleasure.
Same here.